guys, tayo mag-grocery again today. Ready na ang ating baby. So, mag-grocery kami good for 1 week. Nalinis na namin ni Mr. ang freezer. Sobrang kapal kasi ng yelo. Kung makapal ang yelo, hindi pala siya anong tawag doon? Inverter. Yung ref ko sa Philippines, hindi nakapal ang yelo nun eh. Dito kapal ng yelo. Pero malinis na siya. So, yan. Si Mr. ang naglusaw ng mga ice. Ako naman ang naglinis ng mga drawers. So, medyo maganda ang weather ngayon, guys. Dahil hindi mahangin at saka hindi maulan. Pero makulimlim. Kanina, mainit. Nag-ayos si Mr. Nag-ayos siya ng garden. Nag-cut ng grass. Tsaka yan, tinataniman namin ng flowers. Pinalaki niya, tsaka pinahaba. Maliit lang yan before eh. So, excited na kami sa spring. Kaso sabi ko sa kanya, dahil uuwi tayo ng Philippines, wag na muna tayong magtanim. Kasi baka mamatay lang ang plants. Kasi pag summer, hindi masyadong maulan. It's warm because it's not windy.
Because it's not windy.
It looks like it's gonna rain. Look at your windshield. Parang ulan. What? Sakit ng kamay niya.
I've got the same problem as Laura. I've got
Yeah.
pain in my
numb hand.
in my forearms.
Yeah. Okay. We're going, guys.
Like 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, madaming batang naglalaro sa labas. You go to sleep, little Wood.
So
You're so sleepy.
if you'd have been learning and taking your test there,
Yeah?
and you'd not done what I did, you'd have failed.
Yeah. Have to slow down.
Well, you have to stop
Yeah.
because he's going into the road. You have to stop.
Dito tayo, guys, sa ating favorite section, plants. Ganda ng kanilang mga orchids. 8 pounds. Ang gaganda. Hello! Hi! Yan ang iyong papa. Which one? Oh, you're too fast. May camera. Watch may camera. Oh. Hindi masyadong matao dito, guys. Masarap mag-vlogs. Ang lalaki ng kanilang buns. Kuha tayo ng medyo maliit lang. 30.
So you might only need 2. But if I get 4, they don't get a waste. Yeah.
Yes, in a way. I'm gonna look for donut. Creamer. Eggs. We're not gonna get in Aldi. I think it's there, right on the end. The creamer.
So the big one or the
Small is okay. Small only. Gusto ko to. Gusto tayo ng isa. Sira yung ganito namin. Hi. You okay? Tingnan natin ang kanilang seafood, guys. Ano to? Isda. Bago to. White bite. Ang liliit. Parang wala ko nakikitang prawn. Nasa ilalim. Puno na. Nakatulog na, guys, ang ating baby sa pag-grocery. Kukuha lang si Mr. ng Coke. And then lilipat na tayo ng supermarket. Someone is sleeping. Uy, disturb her. Hello. Let's go.
you can get that.
Are you not gonna get ham? The good?
Yeah, there's enough.
Win it, 10K. 2?
Mhm.
Hold it.
On each. Make sure they're both the same.
Ang kanilang avocado. Hello? Asparagus. Goodness, ang lalaki. Can you get me asparagus? There. They have smaller up on the top, mister. Asparagus. That on the middle.
What are you telling me they were growing asparagus?
Huh?
Somebody at work was telling me to grow asparagus.
Not that. The middle. Yeah. I don't want pot asparagus. This one. This is good enough. It's fine. Put this back. Oh, give me. Show me. I'll get two. Yeah. Tomatoes. Here, oh. Ha? Ayaw pa nang kukunin ko. It's so warm here. I want noodles. Get some noodles. Yun. Turo-turo ng uso. Now you know. No. No.
What else?
Cauliflower.
Other side.
Sweet potatoes, other side. Ayong sweet potatoes, cauliflowers. What's the difference? Don't get too much. Kuha tayo ng garlic. Bakit ng garlic talaga rin? Kahit saan. That's so big. Tuyot. $1.19.
I did.
It look like cabbage because of the leaves. Pork. Kuha din pala tayo ng plain pork. Diced chicken, pork chop. You got marinated.
Yeah.
Eggs. Tomato, avocado, apple, nappies. Eggs and nappy. Tayo ng laruan, guys.
Right.
Walang masyado.
Ooh,
Let's go.
look at that face.
Does she react?
Ooh, scary monster.
Cheesecake. She's talking. Nasagot na eh.
What's she? Another scary monster?
She's kicking.
But she likes the teddy.
Like the teddy. The reaction is so cute. The boats.
£5.
Expensive. Mahal naman ang boats. How much?
£5.
It's so expensive, isn't it? But this is how many? 5 pieces?
Yeah.
How much is that? I like that. Ducks. £5 also.
Yeah.
You like that?
What's it called? Oh, I don't know how much that is.
Expensive, isn't it? Maybe we can get in the Philippines. Maybe cheaper.
The Pelican bibs, these,
Yeah.
they're not good.
So small.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then. Daga na. 235. Kuha tayo ng isang eggs. Ay ko, medium eggs. Nakaraan nabasag ang eggs. Ooh, the face?
The pizzas.
No?
No, don't need. Unlock.
We're done, guys. Uwian na tayo. We're done. Hi! Huy! Hello! What is that? Smile! Smile! We're home, guys. Mag-ayos na tayo ng ating mga pinabili. Tayo mag-grocery shopping haul. Ito ay good for 1 week na. Give me the pizza. Oh, the little one is here. So, we got 2 pizza, guys, sa Morrison. Tingnan natin magkano na pamili ni Mr. Lika rito. Mia! Kabigat. So, ito ang ating dinner later. Pizza ulit. Kailangan na kasing maano yung magamit yung mga lumang stock sa freezer. Pero, wala kaming wet goods sa freezer ngayon. So, ang napamili guys ni Mr. sa Aldi ay 47.25 pounds. Parang mas gusto ko kasi dong mamili ng mga wet goods. Sabi ko sa kanya. So, bumili tayo ng, ano ba to? Cauliflower. Ang kanyang cauliflower ay 119 pala ito. So, yan. Kumuha din tayo ng onion. Wala tayong onion na ubos. 95p itong ganito kadami. 1 kilo pala to. 95p. Parang wala pang 75. Mura ng onion. And then noodles. Egg noodles. Hindi ko kita yung egg noodles. 99p pala to, oh, guys. Then, kumuha si Mr. ng potatoes. 2.5 kilo pala to. Ang bigat. Ang kanyang potatoes ay 1.69. Mahal din. May pa-commercial si Mr. Gusto daw niya ng coffee. Gawa tayo ng coffee. 3 spoons. Try ko. Ay, sarado. 3. Close na. Pork mince natin or giniling ay 2.59. Ito, 500 grams. So, ganyan ang itsura na, guys. Dinadalawang luto ko yan. Then, ang ating pork belly slices. Ito yung marinated pala. Ay, ilang kilo to? 400 grams. For 3.59. So, 3.59 to. Ilang pieces? 5 slices. So, ayan. Lalagay na natin yan muna sa ref. And then, diced beef is 3.99. Halos 4 pound din pala to. Are you okay? Chicken fillet, 2.29. Ilang grams? 300 grams lang. Yun ang ating chicken na drumstick. 1 kilo is 1.99. So, ganito siya. Pork belly. Ay, pork chop pala. Ang pork chop natin, guys, ito, 3.62. 700 grams something. Ano pa ba? Tignan natin yan. Magkano tong bell pepper ni Mr. Bell pepper ay 159. Mahal din pala ang bell pepper. So, yan, 159. Ginger. Ang ginger ay 89p. Hello? So, ang eggs natin, guys, 12 pieces is 235. Family pack tomato. Mahal pala tong tomato, guys. 139 pala to. Banana, 5 pieces, 78p. Ang papayat ng banana. Kanilang broccoli ay 79p. Hi, sweet potato ay 69p. 10. Ang limes ay 89p. Ang liliit ng limes nila. Garlic, 95p. Dalawa yan. Ang green beans ay 85p. Asparagus ay 199. Parang 2 pound. Mahal din. Blueberries. Blueberries nila guys, medyo mahal. 150 grams lang to. And 1.19 pound. So, yan. Avocado, 95p ang isa. Each. 95p each. Tapos, tangerines ay 1.99p. 1.090 pala. Okay, going to Morrison. Sa Morrison na tayo. So, ang bread na ito ay 80p. Dalawa ang binili ni Mr. Ay, ako pala kumuha. Parang ako yung namamahalan sa cake nito. O, Valentine's cake. 3 pound. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Magkano na yun in peso? Mahal na. And then, ang grapes ni Mr. Ano kaya yung resibo nito? So, bumili tayo nito, guys. Ano nga ba ito? Tingnan nga natin ang receipt. Ayan. Kita ko ang receipt. So, bumili si Mr. ng 2 pizza. 3 pound pala ang isa nun. Tapos yung egg, 1 pound ang isa. Napakatamis. Original Coke. Itong Coke na to ay 2.49p. Mahal din ang Coke. Brownie, 3 big. Ito yung 3 pound. Parang hindi naman siya masarap. And then, grapes. 2.95. Mixed grapes ang kinukuha ni Mr. Binabaon niya to sa work. Sa office. And then, cookies. Nasaan yung cookies? Ito, 2 pound cookies. Favorite to namin ni Mr. Ano pa? Itong nutmeg pala na to pang strain. Hoy! No. So, 250 pala to guys. May ganito kami nasira. Ang tagal namin bago nakabili ng bago. Tapos, lemon squeezer. 350. Mahal eh. So, bumili guys si Mr. ng wipes. Ito ay 65p ang isa. 4. Ang binibili niya lagi. Itong bread ni Mr. Ang kanyang bread ay 150. Ito maganda tong bread na to, malambot. 150 yan. So, ang kanyang apple, 6 pieces to, 189. Binabaon din niya to sa work. Ayun natin guys. Itong seafood guys, ito ay 3 pieces for 10 pounds. Lagyan natin dyan. Ang milk ng ating baby. So, ang milk natin ng ating baby ay ganun pa rin. 12.50. Pwede bago. And last, Coffee Mate. Hindi ako nag-milk pag nagko-coffee. Gusto ko pa rin ng Coffee Mate. Ito ay 3.50. Okay. Ang napamili na Mr. Lahat-lahat. Sa Morrison, ang binayaran niya is 61.60. Tapos sa Aldi ay 47.25. So, halos 110 pounds ang napamili ni Mr. lahat-lahat. Pumili din pala siya ng diaper ng ating baby. So, ang diaper ng ating baby ay 56 pieces pala yun. 2.89. Samantalang yung Pampers ang mahal niya. Nakita ko sa Boots. Kaya kami ay sa Aldi nabili kasi mura. Mas practical siya. So, yan lang guys. Ang ating napamili. Lahat-lahat ngayon. Yan ay good for 1 week na. So, pero sobra pa yan. Hindi yan namin nauubos ng 1 week. Kasi dadalwa lang naman kami. So, yan ang itsura ng ating baby habang ako ay nag-shopping haul. Hi, okay there. You hungry? Yes, I know. You hungry? Pretty! Smile ikaw. Hello, guys. Smile ikaw. Oh, smile, I said. Yes.
Been in there a while.
What do you want? What do I want with it?
Just a pizza.
Yeah. This pizza for dinner.
Oh, just before April
April 1.
26th.
I haven't checked this, you know, because this little one is... It's not nice, the quality of the plastic. It can be break. Hoop, hoop, hoop.
It's for lemons and limes. It doesn't need to be. Someone wants it.
Someone wants to
have a
bite
look.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Someone wants to have a look.
Yeah. Ah. Looks nice. I want to, because sometimes when I'm marinating something, I need lime. Because I need this. And it's so difficult to...
It says 11 minutes.
Only?
Yeah,
And then it's cold again on the middle.
because it's only cheese.
Pizza ang ating dinner. Dun, 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 dun. So, baby, you're not sleeping,
11 to 13 minutes.
Okay. How many degrees? Charan! Hi! Say hi ikaw. Hi ikaw sa camera.